Namaste everyone, this is Rupi Raja and today I will do the IPO review for Acceleration Pharmaceuticals. Talking about the company, this company is a Ahmedabad based contract development and manufacturing organizations, CDMA for short, and they do contract manufacturing and loan license arrangement for third party marketers on a principal to principal basis. This company is engaged in manufacturing and marketing pharmaceutical dosage forms including tablets, and the tablets constitute 40% of total revenue of the company. They are also engaged in manufacturing capsules, oral liquids, external preparations like ointments, creams, gels, lotions, medicated shampoos, mouthwashes, dusting powders, etc., and oral powders such as sachets and dry syrups. With 83 employees as on January 2025, this company directly exports its products to 20 countries, including continents like Africa, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Latin America. Talking about the IPO detail, the issue type is built book offering. The issue size is 29.75 crore and there is no offer for sale. The price band of the company is 96 to 101 rupees per share and the lot size is 1200 shares minimum. That makes the minimum investment capital for retail investors between 1,15,200 to 1,21,200. Talking about the issue date, the IPO opens on May 14, 2025 and it closes on 16th May 2025 and the allotment for the shares will be on 17 May 2025 and the listing of the shares will be on May 21, 2025 on the NSE Emerge SME platform, and it is a platform where small and medium enterprise company shares are listed. Talking about the share reservations and objectives, the qualified institutional buyers have a share reservation of 15%, non-institutional investors have a share reservation of 15%, and retail individual investors have a share reservation of 35%. Talking about the objectives of the IPO issue, 2.69 crore will be used to fund the capital expenditure for new equipment of the company. 4.65 crore will be used to upgrade the existing manufacturing facility of the company. 0.99 crore will be used to repay the borrowings of the company and 14.68 crore will be used to meet the capital requirements of the company. The remaining 6.74 crore will be used for the general corporate purposes of the company. If you see carefully over here, close to 15 crore will be used to meet the working capital requirements, and this is one of the red flags. Talking about the financial performance of the company, the revenue of the company was up 14.6% year on year for financial year 2023 to financial year 2024. The profit after tax was up a surprising 3,770% year on year from financial year 2022-2023 to financial year 2023 to 2024. Talking about the earning per share of the company earning per share is 4.74 rupees and the post IPO price to earning ratio of the company comes around 20.13, and that appears reasonable. But as I've already told, 49.4% of the total proceeds or the IPO money, that is 14.68 crore, will be used for the working capital, and it shows that the company lacks specificity, raising concerns about funds efficiency of the company. You can see over here the profit after tax of Acceleration Pharmaceuticals. You can see over here the profit after tax increased by over 40% in just 1 year, and this is quite impossible for me. So my personal opinion is you should avoid this IPO, and all retail investors also should avoid this IPO because there is sudden surge in profit after tax in the final year, and it shows that some balance sheet manipulation has been done to aggressively price the shares of the company before the IPO. Personally, I will not apply to this IPO because I do not want to take unnecessary risk. The company also has high leverage because the company's debt to equity ratio is 2.4 as on year July 2024. If you're a long term investor, you should skip this IPO, and if you're a short term investor or you are a short term trader, then also you should skip this IPO because it is not attractive for short term trading. If you want to read about the DHRP document or the document a company makes before filing of its IPO, I have attached them in the description of this video. You can go over the DHRP document and see how the company works. So that's all for today's IPO review. I encourage you to dive into the red herring prospectus of the company, monitor the subscription trends, and comment your opinion if this IPO aligns with your investment goals. Stay informed, invest wisely, and I will see you in the next video for more market insights. If you want to book any consultation related to investments, financial advice, mutual fund advice, or stock advice, honestly, do not worry about it. As of now, just type your questions in detail in the comment section. Before answering your queries, I will definitely check if you have liked the video and clicked on the subscribe button. If both are done, I will make a video responding to my subscribers' detailed query. If your query is short, I will try to reply to your query in the comment section itself. As of now, this consultation service will be free of cost. Before ending the video, I would like to put a disclaimer, and the disclaimer is this is not financial advice. I have included this disclaimer to clarify that my content is for information and educational purposes only. While I share my analysis and perspectives on stocks and mutual funds, I am not a certified financial advisor and everyone's financial situation is unique. The disclaimer ensures you understand that any investment decision should be based on your own research or guidance from a licensed professional, as markets carry high risk. It is all about keeping things transparent and encouraging responsible investing between us. Hope you like this IPO review. Thank you. This is Rupi Raja.